You know that you can have 100 keys in just one frame of gap. How can you have that? Let's have a look. Now suppose if I zoom in this and I have one single frame, 31, 32. If I go to settings and preferences, if I go to time slider, here there is an option called snap to whole frames. And if you turn this off, if I save, and now if I create any of the object, suppose this is the object, if I put a key here, I can actually put 100 keys here in between 32 to 33, 32.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 100 keys. And can you handle these 100 keys between one single frame? No, it's difficult to handle 100 keys. But are these keys important? Yes, it might be important, wherein you can have some micro animation done, which is very detailed. But does anybody use it? No, nobody uses this because it's a very much of confusion, because you cannot snap the keys from here to here. And this is the reason we have Maya Graph Editor. Graph Editor helps us to do those minor actions without having the keys in between. So through the graph, we adjust the curves and we make those values count for the keys. Isn't it fascinating? If you like the video, follow me for more such videos.